Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to identify the button color using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. In this example, we are going to identify the color of this save button. So first, let's launch the web browser. Go back to Visual Studio Code and first write the code to launch the web browser. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Then driver dot navigate of dot go to URL, and here we need to paste the web page URL. Copy this URL and paste here. Now we need to identify the web element. So go back to the web page, right click from this save button, go to inspect, and this is the element. So here we have ID. We can also use the name, so we can use the ID here. Copy this ID, then write button color equal to driver dot find element by dot ID, and open bracket inside double quotes, paste that ID, and you need to store this in a web element. So web element. Now we need to identify the color. So we have a function called get CSS value in C# to identify the color. Copy this variable button color dot get CSS value, and here we need to paste the attribute. So we need to paste the property name here. So open bracket. So in the web page, if you can see, the color is stored in this background property. So copy this background and we need to paste inside double quotes and put a semicolon here, and we need to store this CSS value in a string data type. So here string, we need to give a variable name RGB color, because this function will return the color in the RGB value. Now we can print this RGB color and we will get the color output. Console dot write line of RGB color, and here need to give a plus and copy this variable name and paste here. Put a semicolon, and now let's run the script. .NET run. The script is completed. Now in the terminal you can see the RGB color value. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.